Jammu and Kashmir, a repertoire of enrapturing landscapes, vast resources and an industrious populace involved in various productive occupations, ranging from farming to the artistic and aesthetic, occupies a pride of place in India, with its innate potential for incessant growth and development. Jammu and Kashmir's 68.7% literacy rate, though significant, has been impacted by a considerable dropout rate, specifically in rural areas. The dropout rate in this state is attributed basically to families' economic status. Despite economic growth, Jammu and Kashmir has almost 6 lakh unemployed youth. This necessitated that Ministry of Rural Development comes up with a project, Himayat, to offer placement-linked skill training to 1 lakh youth over a period of 5 years. Rajiv Education and Employment Mission has commissioned the documentation of best practices in Himayat project, the major shift being retention-focused implementation under Himayat. This paradigm shift in the overall approach has resulted in changes at every stage of implementation, that is, pre-training, training, placement and post-placement. The pre-training process involves setting up of the training centers, mobilizing the beneficiaries and recruitment of trainers. Though the mobilization scheme is open to all the school dropouts, irrespective of their economic status, the current Gram Panchayat-centric mobilization approach has been very effective in mobilizing the candidates for training. This Tujar Sharif Beg Gram Panchayat in Sopore Taluk of Baramulla district has the distinction of having the maximum number of trainees in the Himayat project.
We adopted a Gram Panchayat based mobilization model, wherein the teams will go to a particular Gram Panchayat, talk to the parents, talk to the community and tell the youth the opportunities available. And in a way, normally we get around 10 to 15 youth from a Gram Panchayat for a training. This gives a lot of comfort to the parents, knowing that it is not their only child who is going for a training or going for placement outside. It is a group of youth from a particular Gram Panchayat who is moving out.
इनके बच्चे अधूरी तालीम छोड़ देते हैं 8वीं में, 10वीं में, 12वीं में और फिर उधर उधर भटकते रहते हैं। काम भी उनके पास नहीं होता है, इसलिए जो हिमायत सेंटर से यहाँ पहले बैच में 30 से 40 लड़के ट्रेनिंग करके निकले हैं और दूसरे बैच में 30-35 बच्चे ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं। इसकी ज़रूरत यहाँ महसूस की जा रही है।
Before selecting the trainees, parents are required to sign the parent consent form. This consent is compulsory to prevent youth from refusing to take up placement, citing lack of approval by parents. Road shows are conducted to inform and involve the community about the scheme. With the help of the colony elders, probable candidates are identified and invited to come to the center. The selected candidates are brought to the center and shown all the infrastructure facilities available. Under Himayat, placement-linked skill training is offered in various domains like healthcare, BPO, customer service, electrical, hospitality, networking, etc. Under Himayat, no training center is allowed to start training until the due diligence requirements of the center is met with. The due diligence requirement includes aspects like availability of trainers, IT infrastructure, teaching aids like projectors and workbooks, etc. Entitlement chart is on display in every center that details out the trainee entitlements during training like 50 rupees per day to cover to and fro expenditure and refreshments, opening of bank accounts during training, provision of study material, etc. The entitlement chart has the Himayat call center number at which any aggrieved training can register their grievance. This helps in dissemination of information and transparency about Himayat. Every Himayat Center is visited by officials from National Institute of Rural Development and Ministry of Rural Development to verify due diligence.
We have developed two separate formats for the Himayat project, that is due diligence checklist and one is quality training checklist. With the help of this due diligence checklist, we will check the basic infrastructure which is required for the Himayat training. And with the help of this quality training checklist, we will check the standard of trainings and quality of trainings. When we will improve the quality of training, we will get the quality results.
The high quality of trainers is one of the critical reasons for the success of Himayat. The trainer has to understand the mindset of the youth. The batch size is limited to 35 trainees to facilitate individual attention. Under Himayat, every center should have a personality development trainer and IT trainer, apart from the concerned domain trainer. The trainer plays the most important role of molding the youth during training. The trainers are involved in each and every stage, that is, from mobilization of youth to post-placement.
When they enter the centers, they say that we can't do anything, they are just 8th pass or 12th pass. But later on, with the passage of time, they are so groomed, they are so well balanced with the environment over here.
The interactive methodology is a unique feature of Himayat initiative. Unlike the classroom lecture method or one-way communication, the strategy used is highly interactive facilitation of learning using models, charts, demonstrations, practical sessions and so on.
लेकिन जब मैं यहाँ पे आई तो मुझे ऐसा यहाँ पे माहौल एक्सपोजर मिला कि मैं स्टैंड हो जाऊँ इन द फ्रंट और किसी के सामने कुछ बोल पाऊँ. मुझे बहुत मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इंक्रीज़ हो गया और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं. जैसे मुझे पता है कि अगर मैं 10+2 या मैं ड्रॉप आउट हूँ, आफ्टर सम टाइम जहाँ पे मुझे ट्रेनिंग मिलेगी या कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई विल गो फॉर जॉब.
Day-wise lesson plans and the course plan are displayed on the walls of the center or classroom for the benefit of the youth undergoing training. Weekly tests are conducted to assess the learning levels of youth, and the same are documented at the center. This is a mandatory requirement. Under Himayat, 3-month, 6-month and 9-month training courses are offered. Youth who successfully complete training have to be placed by the project implementing agencies.
They are well groomed, they have nice manners. We have to train them, we have to make them understand, or we have to accommodate them as per our own system. But on the whole, they are very happy. I am happy with them and I look forward for a better association in the future also. And thanks Himayat.
In order to bring seriousness at all levels, an offer letter by the employer or by the PIA will be given to the successful trainees. After getting a placement, post-placement tracking is carried out in 5 stages, which involves definition of placement, hand-holding on placement by trainers. Multiple jobs are offered to trainees on demand, post-placement support through bank account of trainees, MIS-based monitoring with 3-month salary slips. Under Himayat, the trainees are offered jobs again in case they find it difficult to continue with the first job. The idea is that any youth who wish to work would be provided opportunities to stabilize at the workplace, even if he has to be shown an alternate employment.
Now the retention has really gone up from 33% to 75%. So it's a paradigm shift in approach on the part of all the stakeholders, whether it is Ministry of Rural Development, Government of J&K or the training partners who are implementing training. So it's a shift that encompasses all the stakeholders.
To support the working youth in the initial period, 2,000 rupees per month is given as post-placement support on submission of salary slips by the youth for 6 months. This support facilitates youth to stabilize at workplace, leading to better retention. These youth who get trained for 6 months, 9 months are provided jobs with a minimum startup salary of 8,000 rupees and 12,000 rupees per month respectively. These youth who get higher salary jobs are provided post-placement support for 2 months at 1,000 rupees per month.
सैलरी जो है वो 4,500 है, तो इससे जाके मेरी जो फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स थी घर में, तो उसको हेल्प हो रही है। हमारा जो न्यू कोर्स स्टार्ट किया सर, मैं उनका बहुत दिल से थैंक यू करना चाहती हूँ उन सब का, कि आज उनकी वजह से मैं यहाँ पे हूँ।
होटल इंडस्ट्री के बारे में मुझे कुछ भी पता नहीं था कि मैंने क्या पढ़ा है वहाँ पे, वही सेम मैं यहीं पे आज कर रहा हूँ। तो मुझे यहाँ पे 9 महीने हो गए काम करते हुए, मैं फर्स्ट बैच का हूँ। तो यहाँ पे मेरे साथ 2-4 बंदे भी हैं, वो भी यहाँ पे मेरे साथ काम कर रहे हैं। इंशाल्लाह 1-2 महीने में मेरी प्रमोशन हो जाएगी एज ए सुपरवाइज़र पोस्ट। मतलब मैं कुछ भी नहीं था, मैं सिर्फ घर में बैठा रहता था। अगर ये जो हिमायत कैब फाउंडेशन है, इनकी बदौलत से मैं आज यहाँ पे बैठा हूँ।
Post placement tracking of youth in their jobs is a very important aspect of this initiative. Tracking the trainees and how they are faring is important for retention. A well-devised MIS system exists for tracking the trainees. Himayat has brought about an amazing transformation in the lives of thousands of youth and the young generation of the nation, developing their capability, building their capacity and confidence, enabling them to deploy their innate potential, and empowering them to pursue careers of their choice for a secure life.
मैं तुमको विश्वास दूं, तुम मुझको विश्वास दो, ज़रिया हिमायत हम लायक बन जाए।